Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day today. We decided to do a Friday mobile pantry because that's where it was closest to us this week. And we have just a little one, but it's such good stuff. Wait until you see what I got. We got 3 boxes of donuts back there. And I always get the golden or the white vanilla donuts because Emma doesn't do chocolate too much. We got 3 tomatoes and they look beautiful. And some more zucchini so I can make some more zucchini dip. That was so good. Check out my video on the zucchini hummus dip. Yum. And we got some everything bagels. Because I'm all out of bagels finally. We got some Baker's Delight mini pound cakes. Individually wrapped cakes. You take one of those and you put some yogurt on it. Oh, so good. We got some artisan brioche hamburger buns and some hot dog buns back there. We got 3 things of French onion dip. And then look at this. A whole case of half and half. How awesome is that? And half freezes, just in case you don't know. It does. Awesome, awesome stuff. And we got potatoes back there. And some more apples for some more apple yogurt salads. Oh, I think I'm a little hyper fixated on the apple yogurt salads right at the moment. Because they are just so good. And you can do so many different flavors. Especially if you use a water flavor packet to flavor up the yogurt a different way. Like if you get a plain yogurt. Oh my god. So good. You should definitely try that. I have a video out on that too. So check that out. But half and half. We bought some of those butternut squash raviolis. I'm going to make like an Alfredo sauce using the half and half. And the French onion dip, even if you don't use it to dip your chips, you can thin it out with a little bit of half and half and make a great sauce for something. That would be awesome. And like I said, and I think that's everything. Oh my god, this is going to be such a short little video. Today's Emma's last day of school. Yay! I don't have to wake her up really early in the mornings anymore. Woohoo!
I'm lucky because I don't have a class today.
And right now she's on a break. Even better. So yeah, that was our haul for today. Not too much. But great, wonderful, usable stuff in the half and half. Oh my goodness, I am so thankful for that. Because one of the people is a big coffee drinker. And me and Emma use it to make our strawberry milkshakes with. It fluffs the strawberry milkshakes up so well. And it's fat-free. That's a good thing. Fat-free half and half is awesome. But yeah, you put it in with your frozen strawberries and stuff. It fluffs those up really, really, really good. So yeah, that's our food pantry haul for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll be going to the regular food pantry tomorrow. So we'll have another video then. And who knows what other videos I'll make in between. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you for watching. Have a super wonderful, fantastic day. And we'll see you on the next one.